infrastructure. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Ubuntu OS. In my previous video, I have shown you how to make bootable device for a pen drive. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this bootable device into your system as a whole software. So before that, just plug in your pen drive into your system, then turn on. Once it turns on, press F2. It will automatically goes to this booting menu. Here in boot, you have to select bootable as USB storage, then press exit. Once you're done, this automatically restarts. Here it is asking to try or install Ubuntu safe graphics. I'll choose this, try or install Ubuntu. Now you can see the version is Ubuntu 24.04. Now you can choose the language, as I'm choosing English. Press next, and this accessibility is okay. Just press next. Keyboard is English US. Next. Connect to the network. Yeah. Let us connect. Just press next, and update is available for the installer. Right now we'll skip this. Install Ubuntu. How would you like to install? Interactive installation for users who want to be guided step by step through the installation. Let's go with interactive installation. Here, what apps would you like to install? Start. Default selection, just the external web browser. Yeah. Install recommended proprietary. Yeah, I'll give select all. So now, how do you want to install Ubuntu? Install Ubuntu alongside other partition or erase disk. Manual installation. Actually, right now I have Kali Linux in this system. I have uploaded previous video. You can check over there. So I'm installing alongside with the Kali Linux. Next. So I need to allocate the space for this. I would rather go with 437. So I would give name as Infini Veda. My computer name would be this. My username would be this, and password set the password. So after that, require my password to login is necessary, and I'll go with next. So here it automatically choose location, that's fine. And this is review of my choice as okay. It is setup installing Ubuntu along others a partition. The hard disk name is Toshiba Security. So partition is of around 558 GBs of partition 1, that is Kali Linux, and this is used. So I'll give install now. Yeah, now the installation has started. In few minutes the installation will be completed. So now you can see it is asking for restart the system or continue testing. I'll just go with the restart system. Once you click restart, just remove your pen drive. When it shut down, remove your pen drive. Now you can see it asks whether you want to go to Kali Linux or Ubuntu. Right now I'll choose Ubuntu for testing it. Now you can see I am seeing my username. Just click here and enter the password. Yeah, it's logging in. Now you can see my system is with Ubuntu. Welcome to Ubuntu 22.04 LTS. So this is it for today's video. Finally finish up with the setup. Like, what are all the steps here? I'm going to skip this, and I don't want to share my system details. Next, I'm going to finish it. So now you can see, guys, the Ubuntu system is on. If you want whatever all the operations you can perform. So this is it today's video, guys. Thanks for watching.